I'm Alicia Vandenherk. I am the Chief Brand and Innovation Officer at Three Farmers Foods. I think what I saw today from the group and even for myself with the program was just heightened awareness of the real power and impact you have as an individual on building teams, leading teams, and influencing teams.
I am Natasha Vandenherk. I'm the CEO at Three Farmers Foods. We want to be the leader that we need to be to develop our team. It starts with ourselves. We need to understand ourselves better, why we respond in certain situations the way we do, how we want to show up every single day, and then literally embody that in how we show up. So that was just really moving for me, and that's what made this workshop so important.
You will go farther as a team than you will as an individual. So I think it was really just heightening that awareness again, just around how you can't do these things by yourself. You will need to build a team around you. We will need to build a team around us, and we will all need to march together always. So I think the people skills is really how we build that army, build that team, and ensure we have the right energy to execute on the hard things.
We had brought our whole team, our whole front-end team, so leadership, managers, and then the brand and the marketing team, the front end, to this one-day workshop as really a personal and professional development opportunity. I think, reflecting on how we show up as ourselves every day for our teammates, for the internal team and the external customers that we're servicing is just really important in terms of upping our game in the current environment. So, it was just a phenomenal experience.
I absolutely would recommend that other companies and teams tap into programs such as this, because again, it just heightens awareness in self-awareness, and again, the impact you have as an individual on your team, which impacts the organization.